I'm Caitlin Herman reporting from Dayton Municipal Court. Ashley Johnson, the biological mother of Hershall Creachbaum, making her first appearance in court this afternoon in connection to the 7-year-old's death. We're also learning new details outlining Johnson's initial statement to the Dayton Police Department. In new court documents, Johnson initially claimed her boyfriend, Michael Kendrick, was playing with Creachbaum when she went to bed on July 11th. But after talking with Johnson further, the affidavit explains Johnson admitted to providing false information and that Creachbaum died weeks earlier while she was in the hospital in late May. Creachbaum's grandmother tells me she hadn't seen Hershall since May because Johnson always had an excuse as to why they couldn't see him.
He's in there asleep, or he's playing. Well, let me videotape him. I said, no, he wouldn't let none of us in the house. And I'm like, that don't count, right?
They looked like they loved him. He would play with him. He would sit and give Hershall a controller that didn't work to the game system, and he would let him push the buttons to think he was playing the game system. Like, in front of our faces, he put on a show.
Creachbaum's grandmother says Hershall also has an older sister who is in protective custody. We reached out to Montgomery County Children's Services Associate Director Craig Rickett, offering condolences to the family, saying in part, quote, "While this tragedy did not fall under our jurisdiction, we join the community in mourning this loss. Ohio law prevents Children's Services from confirming or denying if there was a case involving this family." We are working to learn more about past child welfare checks while the children were in Johnson's custody. Johnson was arrested July 14th. She is charged with 1 count of obstructing justice, a 5th-degree felony. Her bail is set at $250,000, and she'll be back in court for a preliminary hearing on July 24th at 3:30 p.m. Her boyfriend, Michael Kendrick, was arrested on July 12th, the same day he called 911 to report Creachbaum had been kidnapped, despite knowing he had been dead for weeks.
It's my son. He took my son.
They took your son?
In the 8-minute-long 911 call, you can hear Kendrick becoming agitated as dispatch asks more questions.
Why are you trying to identify me like I'm the most?
Because we need to come talk to you.
That's why I hate call the cops.
Kendrick was in court for the first time Tuesday. His bail is set at $2 million due to the severity of the charges, including tampering with evidence and gross abuse of a corpse.